how to log out of your Fiverr account. So on this process, I will teach you with a supplement method that how you can log out a Fiverr account. So as you maybe know, there is no any such options to log out the Fiverr account from the Fiverr app. So alternatively, you will have to clear the cache of that Fiverr app. So make sure on this process you will have to back up everything that you want to back up for your medias, files or chats. So for that you will have to firstly open the Fiverr app, and now from here you will have to go the options more just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and from here you will have to go the option settings. Okay, so now from your account, and now from here you will have to go the options Fiverr backup. Okay, so from here you will have to back up everything you needed to back up, like it will be chat, files or media. So after you back up everything from here, you will have to back from here. And to log out the Fiverr account, you will have to open the settings on your phone. Okay, so after you open the settings, you will have to scroll down and find the options like apps. Okay, so now coming up to the app section, you will have to find the Fiverr app on this. Okay, so after finding the Fiverr app, you will have to open the Fiverr. And now from here, you will have to scroll down and find the options like storage. So simply tap on it. And from here, you will have to click on this clear data option. So simply tap on it. And here you have to confirm that you have to clear the data of this application. So simply tap on this OK. Alright, so I have successfully cleared the data of Fiverr app as I have backup everything from the Fiverr app. So I will not lose any kind of data or information from the Fiverr app. So likewise, you can also log out your Fiverr account on your system. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.